tell you, me and them grew up in a community. I never tell a man, say, go shoot a man this, go shoot a man this. I'm not that type of person.
You hear me? Any squash up in my get it. J-man, Ray-man, Fred-man, any man. You want to get it in America. You see me? Man, you want to kill 2 innocent man. Big batty boy squash get licked. You see me? But the first set up on the woman worried. Yeah? In the laps of the man, them never looks for them locomotive. Yeah? And the boy get touched. He just want to catch someone second time on the man and he said, yeah, man. And the man, they miss it. Yeah? He get touched. When you make the little rub rat them go kill. Innocent man, 2 party man, 2 original man, 19 for a longer while. The man in the business about mobile war, the man in the involved in a mobile war, the man in the know nothing about mobile war. And involved in a mobile war. Yeah? But here I go. You were really go on with the man go touching the man there. Yeah? You see, for a long time, before the thing was in a 3 or in a 4 past the spring. Yeah? Everybody had the one. Then the man there who get touched, a link with the first set of man them, what? Squash brother, get corrupt and war against that damage them. Yeah? So, the 2 man them a get touched. No damage side of soldier them from nowhere. Jackson inside. And he make squash them know, say, yeah man, yeah. You see me? So, but the man ain't bothered anything. So because him get touched now, he just want to catch somebody. And he said, J man, Ray man, Fred man, he go shoot up the man them. And drive away. And good thing said the man turn on a chip black on them. But the man get shoot up. And one lick up in a boy chest and lick up in a boy neck. Yeah. There's nobody who don't know how to do it. Then find out him blood on the crime scene. And he go match up the warhead right up in the neck. If he not dead, he get charged with double murder. And I don't say him not take the death sentence him alone. So I know, before they know say him go call squash man here. Don't be the one call squash man here. What do you think? You go hold squash man and cut off your head. Anybody else for the road him. Them can't, squash man can't do no show America and he can't go back Jamaica. No show. Him can't do no show in America. As the flyer put up with the punk crime scene. And him gonna get it, him gonna lay out permanently and up on ice. Remember that. Broad in there to the whole world. Everything and they'll get it. 6, alright? Hey, right now I'm trying to tell you, man, say for squash. I forget it. J-man, Ray-man, Fred-man, all of them, I forget it. And the boy, they shouldn't touch myself. I want to make it media and people. And talk like say anybody them, love them, and shoot off of them. Nothing go so man. Nothing go so. Yeah. Corruption. Boy squash corruption. J-man, Fred-man, Ray-man, all of them are the running right now. Every day the boy come and be that boy, but he ain't a gang. He ain't a gang, he ain't no gang. Boy, them are not killer, man. Boy, squash, man, I won't get it. Put up a flyer. Anyway, in America, just put up a flyer. I'll say the pan on show, boy. I let people say you can't go to Jamaica. Babylon don't they want you. Your so-called friend them want you. Enemy want you. In America, the worst thing you can do. I make your friend them kill muscle man. And then charge you. For what? For what? Innocent people them for what? You get shoot up by your enemy. I know that them man they have nothing to do with mobile war, mobile killing, mobile shooting. Them man they known in the street. 10 foot high about them around and see what the man is busy about nothing. But when I can't catch who can shoot off at one and all that, put the narrative like say, I bet the man did involved in a few things I can shoot off and you want to tell the man where you live and all these things. That man is busy about nothing. The man is 40 long before you ever bought squash. But we gonna show you. Yeah, man. You take one of our brothers, man. You take one of our real brothers, one of our real friends. Yeah, man. You gotta lay down and some block of ice, bro. I'm telling you, you gotta get it, man.